Good morning, good afternoon. Hey guys, coming in with a 10-day-old wash and go. It's getting more afro-y. About that time to wash my hair again. Anyway, I'm not gonna do it today, but I want to go ahead and moisturize my fro with this Afro-G Curlific leave-in. And I did a review on this product line not very long ago, and I just have to tell you that this is actually going to be one of my go-to leave-ins. You know, I prefer a water-based leave-in, but the way you know a leave-in is really good is when you go in the next day and your hair still feels good and fluffy. You know that that is a good leave-in. And then I'm going in with my argan oil, just a drop or two, maybe less. I'm not going to fuss over too much. I'm just doing that to add some shine, nourishment, and to lock in the moisture. But yeah, that next day, when your hair is not feeling hard and crunchy, but it's feeling like fluffy and cloudy and cottony, that's when you know you got a good leave-in. And of course, because I'm on the go, I am putting on my handy dandy infinity head wrap. You know I am obsessing over these. It is still a little, it's not very cold out, but it's spring. So I am going to wear my infinity wraps for another couple of weeks, maybe a month, depending on the weather. But I want my hair to be piled up high. And for a minute I was wearing it ace deuce, but this time I want it high. And that's really all. These come in so many colors. I already did a haul for you guys because you know I'm obsessing over these things. You could tell when I really like something because I talk about it on and on and on. I might do a video of I'm trying to look at myself in the mirror here because I do like the hair. I like the drama. I like it big. I like it poofy. I like it spilling out over into my face, girl. Yeah. Yeah, I might do a favorites video or something, and I might include a giveaway. My giveaways do not turn out that well. I have no idea how the back looks, so. But yeah, just spruce it up however you want. The higher, if you want it high, just keep pulling it all the way up. You want it low. See how I have it low in the front? And I pushed it back a little bit so that the hairline is showing, which doesn't matter either way. However you want to do it. But this is one of my bright ideas. It's low manipulation. You're not messing with your hair too much. You just get it out of the way. And then a lot of you know at night what I do is I might stovepipe it and go to sleep. See? Boop, boop. So yeah, I love a multi-functional item, and these head wraps are it. Okay guys, so fix it how you want, and that's pretty much it. This is perfect for the busy natural, the natural on the go, and a good way to still rock your wash and go in a whole different, a less defined texture. I'm going to keep picking at it. Until the next video, live simply and be kind, guys.